your makeup is melting because you're choosing the wrong products. The number one reason that your makeup fades, disappears, and doesn't last you all day, especially in the summer, is this: it's not actually designed to. Most traditionally formulated makeup is not designed with long wear in mind. Think about it this way. From a cosmetic company's point of view, they create a product, but they don't really care how many hours it lasts you. If your makeup fades, then you just have to reapply more makeup, and then you end up going through your products quicker, and you have to turn around and buy more of them. It's only recently that long-wearing makeup became a thing because of consumer demand. So, the most important thing that you need to know about making your makeup last longer during the summertime is this: only purchase products that are marketed as being long-wearing. If you don't, it's just kind of like going on a blind date. You just don't know what you're going to get.